Welcome to the Craftessa everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we're going to make these adorable gingerbread and nutcracker wooden ornaments using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. For this project, I'm going to use the wooden shaped cutouts from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use both the trees and the stars, along with these printouts that I found on Pinterest. Now, I don't have the links to these images because I just saved them to my computer, and unfortunately, I don't have that computer anymore, so I don't have the links. But if you do a search on Pinterest for gingerbread images or nutcracker images or illustrations, I'm sure you will find plenty. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace the shape of the tree over the image. I'm doing it on the front. This way I can see where I am tracing. I do want to have most of the image on the tree and the stars. So once I finish tracing this out, I'm just going to cut it. So let's continue with this. Now that I cut the trees out, I'm going to do the same thing with the stars. I am tracing the star shape on the printout that I want on this star, and then I'm going to cut it. So let's continue. So now that all my shapes are cut out, I'm using Mod Podge in order to adhere the images to both the tree shapes and the star shapes. I'm going to use a very thin layer. This way, a thin layer avoids any wrinkles on the paper. This is printer paper that I printed the images on. So just a thin layer on both of the wood pieces. Let's continue. So now all the stars and the trees are dry with the images. The Mod Podge is cured. I'm going to use Mod Podge once again and gold leaf flakes, and I'm going to decorate the edges of both the stars and the trees with the gold leaf flakes. Now all you're going to do is add Mod Podge to the borders of both shapes and just add some of the gold leaf. So let's continue with this part. So now that I removed the excess gold leaf after the Mod Podge had dried, I painted the backs of all the ornaments in a blush pink, and now I'm going to add some pink satin ribbon. So let's continue with this part. The final finishing touch that I'm going to add is little pink satin bows. I had these, I bought them a while ago, but I'm sure you can get them online or you can get them even sometimes at the Dollar Tree, but these I already had. So I'm going to add the little pink bows to all of the ornaments, and this is our finishing touch, and they will be ready to display. So let's continue. So now all the ornaments are done, and I absolutely love the way that they turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.